Okay, we are working on getting this outside trim board up. We got the one at the bottom, and now we're about to get the one at the top. It ends up there. I'm going to hand her the board and try to get these up there.
So now what?
I gotta go up the ladder.
You're gonna go up with it?
Yeah. You go your way a little bit more.
Oh.
You need to go your way.
Hang on. It's fine, but I can't move my feet, so it's challenging.
Okay. There we go.
You look like yours is bowing down a little.
Okay.
Hang on. I don't know how far I can reach. That's about it for me, just so you know.
Well, we need to go all the way up.
Well, can't you put your end up first and then slide your ladder this way? That's why I didn't know if you could extend this one all the way.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
No bit?
No bit. You can bring it down if you need to.
No! Just hurry up. Or I ran out of blood on my arm. Oh, be careful when you did that. The board moved.
Okay, let me get a screw started first. Okay.
Oh, hang on here. Gotta. This doesn't fall. This red thing's sticking out. Do you have to notch it?
No, it's okay.
Okay. I can't tell from here.
I'll put a couple of them in there. Yeah.
No big deal.
A little far.
Oops.
That's a little far to be.
Yes, I saw where it fell.
Hanging out there.
What else do I have to do over here, huh?
We're going to go to the other end. So the piece that we have to splice in is about a 3-inch piece we're going to splice in. We'll splice it in on this end. So we're going to pick up camp, go to the other end. So hang tight.
Is that a movement?
Go ahead, go back your way. Huh?
Yeah, that's slow.
Okay.
You need to get a screw ready first. I don't want to hold that up there.
Okay.
Oh.
Like it?
Yeah. Sure, I love it. I don't like the weight. Heavy.
I wonder if I can lean across there.
No, that's too far.
Let me see.
No. What are you doing? And how are you going to get back? Sir?
Walk?
Walk?
Maybe.
And what's going to hold you?
My hand?
You need a hand with your screw guy.
Oh, it's working on it.
No.
All I gotta go is right here.
Don't help me.
Just don't look.
Yeah, right.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go.
And how are you going to get back?
I'm gonna walk.
No, I meant back.
Back what?
So you're not leaning towards the building. Yeah, that back.
All right, you got it?
Yeah, but
Here I come.
Hang on.
You feeling on my butt for, girl?
I'm not. Watch my paint.
That's private property right there.
Ain't nothing private about that. Can you reach? Done?
Yeah, I think so.
Huh?
Yep.
You have enough screws?
Yeah. I'm gonna leave that one loose till we get the other pieces.
I just need a measurement.
A hair short of 3 inches, so like 2 7/8.
And the thickness?
Yeah.
Up and down?
Same 5 and. Yeah, just get one of the boards. It'd be the same thing. It'd be the same thickness as that.
The same one?
Yeah, that's fine.
So 2 7/8?
2 7/8, yeah.
Okay. Do you know where the other tape measure is? Otherwise, I need that tape measure.
Okay.
Your thing is not cutting straight.
Really?
No, I can tell it's crooked. It's 3 here and 2 7/8 here. So I don't know what the deal is unless the whole board thing's crooked. I have to see which way fits better, if any. I need to take a smidgen off.
Yeah, it'll work. Go ahead and paint it, and then bring me the hammer back if you would.
Do you want the tape measure?
No, I don't need it.
No?
No.
It's wet, so you might want that rag. Got it? I don't know. Did you drop it close to where you're at? Ooh. It must be hidden good because I don't see it. Are we going to pull the RV in now?
Yeah,
I'll move those boards.
Okay. Okay, mission accomplished.
Well, except for the other side.
Well, yeah, we'll get the other side, but I don't know if you can see it up there with the sun. But trim is in, so that's good. So now we're going to work on getting the RV in the barn here so we can get the truck, because I need it tomorrow for my work. So anyway, this is where I end this video. I don't know where the scheme of videos, but thanks for watching Rolling Country Outdoors. Have a good evening.